Welcome to Nature's Symphony, where every tree, every leaf, every blade of grass dances to its own rhythm. Behold the gentle flow of the stream, a shimmering ribbon of life that nurtures the land and all who dwell within it. Marvel at the grandeur of the mountains, ancient sentinels that watch over the earth with timeless wisdom. In the heart of the meadow, life blossoms in all its splendor, a tapestry of hues that paints the world with joy. Witness the beauty of wildlife as creatures great and small roam free, bound by the rhythm of the earth. In the embrace of nature's embrace, find solace, find wonder, find peace, for in her boundless beauty lies the truest reflection of our own souls.